Now, Father was at the table checking his football pools, all the homes and the ways, and following the rules. Young Herbie came in through the door, all smiling and excited. "Hello, Dad." Says Dad, "What's up with you? You're looking some delighted." "Congratulate me, Dad," says Herb, "for I have found a love." "Wow, that is handsome news," says Dad. "Who was he thinking of?" His son just pulled his ear and blushed, his voice all soft and gooey. "I've asked for Fanny Jenkins, she'd live over Truey." His father's face was stony. "My answer must be no. You see, my son, it cannot be. I cannot allow it so." "Why ever not?" young Herbie cried. "She's a handsome maid," he said. "Oh, tell me, Dad, what's wrong with her?" But Father shook his head. "It's difficult to tell 'ee, boy, and me your father like, but it was when I was young and I had this here bike. I used to go out now and then to take a little ride, and once or twice I found myself over Truey's side. And that is why I must explain my visits over Truey. She's sort of your relation, see, quite like a sister to 'ee." The boy accepted sadly this awkward fact of life, and soon he met another maid he felt would make his wife. He told his father proudly he fancied Liz Trethewey, and found she must be cast aside, another sister to 'ee. The months went by and Herbie strayed, only to face more ruin, for Sissy Frances Overbreeg was like a sister to 'ee. Well, in despair, young Herbie sat, his head upon the table. He tried to joke a bit with Ma, but he felt he wasn't able. "What's the matter, boy?" his mother said. "You're sickening, I don't wonder. You're tithing like an adder, boy, and your face is black as thunder." "Oh, I can't stand it, Ma," he cried. "My heart has gone on strike, and it's all because of Heather, he and his bloomin' bike. For every maid I look upon, be it Mousel or Trelister, my father been there on his bike, and she's bloomin' near my sister." But Ma was stiff with laughing. She hooted like a good un. "So, that's what 'tis upset you so. Don't you worry, my old puddin', for you can wed the maid over Bragg and the one from over Truey. And don't you worry over Da, he's no relation to 'ee."